Hey Pete, you better check that bike and see if it's got, there's like a rubber part somewhere in there that when you go down the road it's like a snake.
I could see smoke and I heard...
I'll tell you, there's problems with them BMWs.
Don't tell me that.
No! Wait till you see the video. Wait till you see the video. It's, when you go down the road it wiggles. Wait till you see the video. I'm not kidding. So we rode up to see Luciano's, what should we call it? The Kenny Roberts replica. That's the best bike right there.
Yeah. The best.
Jose, don't you ever tell him about how this bike handles? He should check it.
I think it handles great.
Oh man, here you're riding behind Pete. Bloop.
He warned him about that German crap.
Bloop.
Yeah, but
that's why they lost the war. The Italians won. They had Ducatis. Aren't Italian bikes the best? You can't remember. Neither can they.
Not if we have electrics.
Yes, you're looking at the axis right here. You got a German bike, an Italian riding it with Japanese accessories.
That's right. And then you got Tojo down the back there.
Oh my God.
Oh, Harley.
Do you know they used these bikes to attack Pearl Harbor? They did, the Kawasaki's and this. Pearl Harbor. While they were bombing London. Unbelievable. So we're going to check out Luciano's latest bike restoration that I just finished his tank on. I haven't seen it in real life. It's going to be a great unveiling here.
They'll probably eat peas.
Luciano, we went all the way up to this Honda dealer to see these antique Hondas. It's closed. Where's that R6? Ooh. Pete, look at the paint on that gas tank. Is that beautiful?
Where?
Wow.
The yellow one?
Well, I just finished that.
Oh, you did this?
Wow.
That is nice.
Holy mackerel. This one he's still working on.
It's free.
Which one does he ride?
All of them.
Yeah?
Oh my God. That house full the wear.
Look how nice that runs, huh?
Yeah, nice H1. Don't you wish you had an H1?
Not the 750.
A whole bunch of Ducatis. Ducatis
Worse than
everywhere.
me with bikes. I thought I had a lot. Yeah, but mine all run.
He's got 3 garages in the back full of bikes too.
More bikes?
Wow! Oh, this is only the tip of the iceberg.
What's that thing?
$9.99, a scooter. This guy's got more bikes than that guy we went to see.
I don't feel so bad.
And these ride. They're not just sitting on a
No,
shelf.
but he doesn't register.
This is the best one. This is the fastest one right here.
That's a nice one.
That's faster than all Ducatis. Wow!
See the box I've been talking about?
What's that? Yeah, what?
The carburetors, right? This box, aluminum box is bolted on top of the carburetor.
Oh!
If you remove the box, all the carburetors they go
Fall.
How do you get to the air filter?
Aren't they clamped
The air
here?
filter's in here?
They stay there.
Yeah, it says there.
But it vibrates a little.
No, it doesn't.
Look at this, it's got a BMW rear end. You could throw that Pete's rear end away and put this one. This one doesn't vibrate.
Looks like a mouse was trying to make a house in there.
4,000 miles.
It's beautiful.
Holy shit, look at this, Joe. He dropped it.
Drop in the back.
Look, this is going the wrong way.
Yeah. You can straighten this up.
Yeah, it might break off.
No, put it on the left, and heat it nice with a black gas.
Look at this.
But that's what we came to see, that R6.
What'd you get this for, like 300?
400 bucks.
Wow.
Bill, look at this R6. Is that a beauty or what?
Gorgeous.
That
Which one does he
is
ride?
Look at the wrist sets on this. Look at his wrist sets. Beautiful, boy.
I just need to change
I
it.
think I have those for my R1.
Because the tires are all cracky. Sure, they crack. Yeah. Original tires.
Mine didn't crack, mine had a 90.
Yeah, beautiful. It's fucking
Is that
seamless.
nice?
They're made in China. They
Hey,
peel
Joe, I
off.
don't feel so bad now.
They
Six-
peel off.
What'd you put, glue? You put American glue or?
No, it's the glue came with the stickers.
Let me see them.
And it's a sticker.
Luciano, you hear that?
Yeah, they're the same ones I got, but these are silver.
I ordered 2 original for Yamaha, and then gel.
Okay.
They don't come off.
They don't license? No, they don't.
Looks beautiful, boy. Even the back foot peg's cleaned up nice.
Yeah, everything.
Everything.
Everything's fine.
Beautiful. Starts right up.
Yeah.
Runs like a top.
Looks like it stops well too.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hey, how come you don't have a lift?
Boy, everything just starts on the first little kick.
How come you don't have a lift? You need a lift.
I got this exhaust brand new. I don't know if you know the brand.
Bill, the problem is when we go to track day, we don't even know which bikes to bring.
I know. It's
He's got 6 or 7 of them all set to go.
just a wealth of goodness.
It's unbelievable.
I like that Cowie 500.
This is nice too. This one we got in Carney.
600 CBO.
And it's expensive?
He just goes.
What's nice about this, I didn't even have to paint it. Everyone here I painted except I think this one.
But it's hard to get these bikes that haven't been just ratted out by some kids.
Oh, they're ratted out when he gets them, but when he's done with them, they're brand new. If you saw this the day we picked it up, it was a mess.
No, I never did.
They cleaned up nice
This,
though.
this you didn't have to paint, or you did
No,
paint?
that's Chinese bodywork.
Wow.
$400 for all the
buy the whole-
bodywork.
Really? I see
Even a
that.
tank, even this piece is a cover. It's not a tank. It's a cover for the
I see
tank.
that on the line. You could buy
Yeah.
the Chinese
$400
CX11s. You can buy the whole fairing system.
And it painted too?
Yeah, now this, look, Bill, this one, it comes from China with this, but I painted the tank to match. I had to match that stripe up there.
Shit, yeah.
What a job! That's on the YouTube channel. It's a lot of work.
Damn right.
A lot of work, and he don't pay much. Believe me, he pays. He thinks I'm an illegal immigrant here. Even worse than that, I don't even get a slice of pizza.
Hey, you need help? I'll start working.
That I assume was just sticker, you know?
No, that's paint.
That's paint. I just figured, you were saying this was sticker, I figured, well, this is
I had
sticker.
one.
This is,
No,
this
it's
is
paint. It's paint.
Jeez. That's a lot.
Came
of
out,
aggression.
Luciano, that's the best one of all of the little bikes.
Then we put a polyurethane on top. It's beautiful. Yeah, beautiful. So
Do you have a spray gun, or do you have just the cans for the polyurethane?
Use it all.
I got about 25 spray guns.
Oh, all right. The upside down ones?
No, some of each, but the other ones are the better ones.
This is the way. Oh shit! It's alright. It's alright. Okay. Dante. Dante.
Go for Pete! Go for Pete! Go for Pete! Show him, hey Luciano, show him your stereo system.
Ah, the nice reel-to-reel there.
Look at that reel-to-reel. Look at that. Even Pete. Look at that 8-track. There you
I got
go.
a few
Hey,
eight-tracks
I'm
you
gonna
can
take it
have.
on my bike.
Who do you know has an
Oh my
8-track?
God, you
We're
have
in 1949. We're
We're-
back
look,
to time.
Stevie Wonder, he mixes the paint. I Gavin. He's Stevie Wonder paint mixing. Hey, don't bite him. Don't bite him. Oh my God.
Who's your
Wow.
I've never seen a German Shepherd.
They're not just German Shepherds, there's something else with
Where's your this is his tire machine?
because
That's the tire machine. You ever see one of those?
Yeah, it's on a...
I won't get a German Shepherd.
Hey, that looks
Look at
like...
those. And if you got a toothache or you need a lobotomy, right there, no problem.
He wants to talk to the baby.
Are they all boys?
See, we could fix that bushing that's in your BMW swing arm.
Stuff. He's gotta get rid of it.
Smaller dog.
Yeah, good boy. Yeah. You sure?
Yeah.
There's his race bike up there, the Kawasaki race bike.
Don't eat Pete. No. Come on, please.
Get him, Go for Pete. Go for Pete.
Oh, really?
How could you make this up?
Oh, really? They had Dolby. Oh, that must have been right before they discontinued them as the Dolbies, you know?
You definitely need more toys, Luciano. More Kawasaki parts, a spare engine for your H1. These guys don't even have an H1, let alone a spare engine for one.
I got this thing here.
Wow.
Great. No, to remove the dents.
He's got a
Guys who get their left nut down.
He's got a 650 outside. I made the seat for. Don't hit your head on the tank. That's the matching tank. I made the seat from scratch.
Really? You're through upholstery,
650? Oh yeah. Oh wait till you see the rest of it.
I know a stripper named Sika.
Sika, yeah.
Remember Sika, the blonde one from way back?
The blonde one.
She's a four-stroke.
Oh.
My,
And the
girlfriend went to the
caliper
Nyack
pieces
Lounge.
were brand new.
West
Because the
Gate
caliper pieces were frozen inside. I changed the handlebar, I cleaned up the bike, I painted something.
So you think, just when you think you've seen it all, there's another shed full of bikes out there. More dogs, more bikes. Oh my golly. Hey! Yes, Suzuki GS gas tank. 650.
Wow.
He's so freaking loud. It's unbelievable.
Is it really?
It's a
And that-
Kickstarter. It's a Kickstarter.
Yeah.
This was made from scratch.
Oh boy.
You get to ride it down? You don't.
Not this year. Not this year. I didn't do any track days.
Luciano's, it's as always, it's always a lot of fun coming up here. He's always got interesting stuff that he's working on. Always a lot of laughs. And we have snuck into just a beautiful day here. And hey, all I can say is, if you've enjoyed the video, thanks for watching. If you haven't, thanks for watching. If you don't have a motorcycle, thanks for watching. And if you share this crazy passion we all have, thanks for watching.